Could a wired keyboard truly redefine your desk setup and gaming experience in 2024? Keychron thinks so with their C1 TKL, and it's surprisingly compelling. This isn't just another compact keyboard. It's a meticulously crafted piece of hardware designed to elevate your daily interactions, whether you're deep into a spreadsheet or dominating in your favorite game. The moment your fingers hit these double-shot keycaps, you feel the quality. They're built to last, resisting that annoying shine and ensuring the vibrant RGB backlight always shines through clearly. And speaking of that backlight, it's not just for show. With 15 distinct RGB modes, you can dial in anything from a subtle, calming white glow for focused work to a full-on vibrant rainbow wave that screams gaming beast. It's all about matching your mood and your setup, giving you complete control over brightness, speed, and color effects. Visually, the black and white minimalist design is a standout. It just melts into any environment, be it a sleek office, a creative studio, or a clean gaming battle station. It's that perfect blend of modern and understated, ensuring your desktop aesthetic remains clean and fresh. But the real magic for many will be under the hood. The Keychron G Pro Red switches are just a dream. They offer this incredibly smooth, linear press that's almost silent. Whether you're hammering out code, typing up a report, or deep in a competitive match, the keystrokes are fast, effortless, and crucially distraction-free. That minimal noise is a huge win for shared spaces or late-night sessions. Now, some might balk at a wired keyboard in an increasingly wireless world, but the USB-C connection here is a deliberate choice for rock-solid stability and zero latency. For serious gamers or professionals who can't afford a dropped signal, it's a non-negotiable advantage, and it works flawlessly across both Mac and Windows devices. It's a reliable workhorse that simply performs. Overall, the Keychron C1 TKL isn't just another keyboard, it's a statement. It's a testament to thoughtful design, premium components, and a commitment to a superior typing and gaming experience. If you're looking for a compact, quiet, and incredibly reliable mechanical keyboard that looks as good as it performs, this one absolutely deserves your attention.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.